Okay, I'm going to show you how to make your photo bigger for your blog websites. Some of your photos are a little bit small, so it's hard for me to see all the beautiful details of your artwork. So go to google.com, click on your Google Apps, so that little waffle there. Click on Sites, and then click on your website. So you're going to add, if you don't already have a page, you're going to add a new page for perspective. So you would click on Pages, the plus, and then type perspective. I've already got that. So I'll get rid of that. So I'm going to click on my perspective page. Okay. Let's go to Insert. So for the layout, let's choose the layout that's got the biggest square for the photo. So that's this one here. So I scroll down. Let's click on that. And then we'll click on the plus and we'll upload a photo. So your photo, you can take that on your cell phone and email it to yourself. Or if you want to work on your blog on your cell phone, that makes it easier because your photo of your art is already in there. So there's my picture there. It's nice and big. Sometimes it might be a little bit cut out. So if we click on this button, that zooms it out to make sure nothing's cut out. You can also, we're going to delete these two photos. So you click on them and then press the garbage can. And then if we stretch this out diagonally, does it cut out? Yeah, if we stretch it out diagonally, we start to lose a bit of the background. So let's not do that. So we'll press this uncrop button. But if we stretch it out sideways and then downwards, oh, it still crops out the background. So we're not going to stretch it out, but this is still a good size. And now you need to answer your blog questions. So we'll scroll up here. So we're under Insert, Text Box. And then here you can start typing your questions. So the questions are on Google Classroom with the assignment and also in the art blog folder. Okay, so I can click on this arrow and review changes and publish. That's a new feature. So let's see. Does it? We can see it a little bit there. Let's go back here. What are our other options? Is there a preview option? I guess not. Okay. So we'll just publish it. Make sure you publish it. This is like the equivalent of saving it. So this is the newer version here on the left in the blue. On the right, that's the older version. So let's click on the newer one and publish. And now let's go to the arrow and view published site. So there doesn't seem to be a preview. We have to publish it first. Yeah, now my photo is nice and big. And then here's where I'm going to put my answers. Okay, so do a new page for each of your assignments and try to get the photo of your artwork nice and big because, you know, especially if you're not handing it in to me in person, I need a big photo to see your work. Okay, that's it.